Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen, I'm going to put together a lemon pound cake. And I decided to do it live so I could talk to you guys some too. I'm going to start by putting my oven on 325. And I am going to grease my pan with the rest of this Crisco, which I'm almost out of. I always like to use Crisco because it gives the outer layer of the cake kind of a crispiness, a chewy crispiness. It's so good. We have a cookout to go to tonight, and so I'm going to take this to the cookout. That is looking great. If I can dig out just a little bit more. Okay. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to flour this and set this to the side. Okay, that is ready. Okay, let's get started. I forgot to lay out my eggs and my butter and my cream cheese to get them to room temperature. I usually like to lay them out the night before, and I forgot it last night. So I'm going to put that together in a Pyrex dish and put it in the microwave for about 40 seconds just to get it softened. My 2 sticks of butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese. If you don't want to use cream cheese in this recipe, you can use a cup of milk. But in my opinion, the cream cheese makes it better. Okay, throw this away. And like I said, I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 40 seconds. Meanwhile, over here, I'm going to go ahead and get my glaze ready, which is going to be a whole lemon and the rind. That'll make this lemon pound cake perfect. And we'll squeeze the juice out of the lemon. And we'll do it face up so I don't get any seeds in it. Okay, I'm going to put just a little bit of water in it, maybe a teaspoon and a half. And I'm going to put some powdered sugar, some powdered sugar in my lemon. Get it to the right consistency and set it aside until my cake comes out. Okay, we'll set that to the side. And then over here, I'm gonna start with a half a stick or half a cup of Crisco. I have butter flavored. Into my mixing bowl. I'm gonna grab my softened butter and cream cheese and put that in as well. And I'm gonna add 3 cups of sugar. Of white granulated sugar. And I'm gonna give this a cream. Get this to cream together. Meanwhile, I'll check y'all's comments. When you forget to lay out your cream cheese, unopened foil pack, drop it in the bowl. Oh, that's a great idea, Tawana. Thanks for that. Good morning, Wanda, and good morning, everyone. Good morning. Lemon pound cake is what is on the menu for today. Good morning, Brett. I needed to get this in the oven before I take the dog out to work with her for a little bit. Let's go ahead and get this stirred in. I'm going to crack 5 eggs, 5 large eggs, into my measuring cup. Have them ready to go in. And I see one little piece of shell. Okay, I'm going to add the eggs in one at a time. Last one. We're going to go ahead and add in my flavorings, which is 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and I'm using vanilla bean paste, and 2 teaspoons of lemon extract. And I'm going to measure out my flour. I need some baking powder, so I'm going to put a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And I'm going to give it a mix. Here's the second one going in. And the third one. Let me get everything down off the sides and give it one more spin here. Okay, let's get it in the pan. It's going to bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes on 325. And then when it comes out, I will pour the glaze over top of it. It'll be good to go. The perfect dessert to take to a cookout. And into that 325-degree oven it goes. And that is what I'm doing in my kitchen today. Lemon pound cake into the oven. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope y'all have a wonderful Saturday. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real. Julianne, that's a great idea to just top with raspberries or any fruit that you love. Anyway, hey Pam, I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. All right, guys, I'll see you a little later. Have a wonderful day. And I did not start it in a cold oven. I preheated to 325. See y'all.